I was actually shocked because I don't remember myself without acne. I had them since I was, I don't know, 13. Hello, my name is Lila. I'm from Belarus and we live in India for past 5 years. I had a very severe skin problems. I had very serious acne on my cheeks and majorly here on my this area, and they were very painful. And I saw Cureskin ad on Instagram. Doctors in Cureskin were focusing mainly on one problem at a time, and that was a game changer for me, and it actually getting better and better this way. I know a lot of stuff, and I know that Cureskin products are really good. They have a right percentage, they have right combination. I can easily go out without any makeup. And I actually I like looking in the mirror at myself. I see a nice glowing skin. I can see my face looking very beautiful with even color, with no pimples, thanks to Cureskin